So we're at Carkeek Park again. We're going to do a little more on Aristotelian logic. Is that all right?
Until my tongue goes so numb that I can't talk. Yes.
So we have a categorical syllogism. What makes this a categorical syllogism is that it's three standard form categorical statements. There are there are three different terms, but each one is repeated twice in the argument, or each one appears twice in the argument, and that makes this a categorical syllogism. And we identify the terms. The term that appears in both premises is called the middle term, and that's
Mammals.
mammals. Since mammals appears in both premises, we call mammals the middle term. The term that is in the predicate slot of the conclusion is called the
Major term.
The major term. So that's the major term.
Also found up here in the premise.
Right there. And then that also makes this the major premise. And then the minor term is the term that's in the subject slot of the conclusion. So that's the minor term.
Also in the second premise, making that the minor premise.
I guess so.
Okay.
So this categorical syllogism has a middle term, mammals, it has a major term, reptiles, minor term, dogs, and it has what we call a logical form. So the form is, it starts with an E sentence, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
So the form is that it's an E sentence, and then this is a what?
A.
An A sentence, and then this is
another E sentence.
Is an E sentence. So the form is E, A, E, and then we have to talk about the arrangement of the middle term. And we go to the chart, and this is the first figure, isn't it?
Yes, it is. Yes.
So this is an EAE1, because we look at that bow tie chart, and we see that when the middle terms are arranged where it goes like this, that's figure 1. When the middle terms are like this, like this, that's figure 2.
That's figure 3. And figure 4 goes like that.
Okay.
Okay.
So this is a figure 1, and it's an EAE categorical syllogism. Well, you study the material and you've learned how to categorize these syllogisms in terms of their logical structure. This way. That's it.
Just trying to imagine middle-aged guys in this dark room, because they actually would take classes like this.
Yeah.
They would actually have logic books. They, of course, would be chained to the table because the teacher's afraid the students are going to steal them. They're probably wearing cowls. It's dark. There's no women in the room. And what they would do is memorize women's names whose vowels are associated with those letters and have this little rap ditty, like AAA would be Barbara. And for every single valid combination, they would memorize a woman's name. And I can just imagine a bunch of medieval guys, probably stinking, in a dark room wearing cowls with logic books, chanting a little Barbara, Claret, and they could memorize all these various patterns.
With a song.
With a song.
For each.
So it's like pre-rap, with a bunch of women's names by a bunch of monastic guys wearing cowls who need a bath.
Well,
but it seemed to work.
It's a great idea.
You can cut that last part out.
Oh no, not at all.